Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing so well. So, welcome back to my Mehndi channel. Today I'm gonna start something very simple and random henna design. Please watch full video to learn easy henna veil design tutorial. I always look for the perfect sunlight and warm weather to make henna video and practice any random henna design. So that's why when I thought this was the perfect moment where I must make a henna tutorial video. The flow of henna cone, oh my god, I just love it. I think you should also try these type of henna designs because these are very easy to apply and follow. So if you really liked my video, please let me know in comment sections. See you soon with new Mehndi video. Thank you for watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.